Guys, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Christ the King Cathedral dito sa Tagum City, Davao.
Davao nga, sabi nga, durian. Pero pag tagong banana po talaga.
Isusutin muna natin yung banana sa butter.
Pizza time.
Fun, excitement, and adventure as we take you all the way to Tagum City, Davao.
Hi guys, good morning. We are here at Ninoy Aquino International Airport and it's 6 a.m. We're still very sleepy, but we had to wake up because we had an early flight. So yeah, James.
It's going to be a long day for sure, but we promise to fill it with fun, excitement, and adventure as we take you all the way to Tagum City, Davao. See you there.
No.
Guys, house party.
Hey guys, so we're here in the plane and James is still sleeping. And I'm gonna eat. Yay! This is chicken macaroni and I have spaghetti carbonara. I'm really excited for the food. Yee.
And in all of those buildings, public transportation, and public places in the
Hi guys! Welcome to Davao! So handa na ba kayong makipagkulitan at makipagbonding sa amin? Tara! Since inaantok yung partner in crime ko, dadalan ko na lang siya ng food later.
Hey guys, we're on our way to Tagum right now. It's a 2-hour drive. I slept earlier, so I didn't eat. But it's okay because Nadine brought me food. And now we're on our way.
Para-paraan, para-paraan, para-para lang, para-para lang. Para-paraan, para-para, para-para lang, para-para. Yay! Yeah! Para-paraan, para-paraan, para-para lang, para-para lang.
Morning. Hi. Hi, good morning. Welcome to Taco.
For me, it's my second time in Tagum. And I think the last time I was there was about a year ago.
It's my first time in Tagum. Sa Davao, siguro marami-rami na. Pero yung Tagum, first time ko lang. Hi guys! So right now, nandito kami to sign CDs and DVDs. So ayan, kita nyo naman maraming tao. Andyan yung Nadix, yung Readers, and yung J-Teens. Hi guys! So, yung event na pinuntahan namin kanina, Thanksgiving siya ng Buena Supermarket.
Holy Rosary Garden!
Ilalagay na natin siya sa toppings na.
Guys, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Christ the King Cathedral dito sa Tagum City, Davao.
And here we have the biggest prayer beads in the world at kinilala sila sa Guinness World Book of Records.
Well, si James sobrang excited pagdating namin sa Christ the King Cathedral. Nung nakita niya yung Holy Rosary Garden. He was so excited. Actually, meron akong video niya na i-upload ko soon sa Instagram.
Say the words and we out of here.
Holy Rosary Garden!
If you feeling scared, I'm flying up.
Well, yeah, it was a different experience kasi it was our first time to see a rosary that big. OA, as in, so hindi na siya, pag magdadasal kami, hindi na ganun. Ganun na.
Pag sinabing Davao nga, sabi nga durian, pero pag Tagum, banana po talaga. Kasi marami nga, abundant po yung banana dito. Tsaka maganda din po yung area kasi flat po siya.
Yung specialty ng Tagum is banana. Dito kasi minsan lang bumabagyo dito. Tapos maganda yung tubo ng banana. Kaya maraming plantation.
Hi guys! So, we're here to try the specialties of Tagum Davao. Ayan, we have pizza bana, we have moringa shake. Moringa is malunggay. And meron din siyang banana and may calamansi. We have the durian shake, kilawin ng kambing, and the Pacific char.
Ang gagawin natin ngayon ay pizza bana. Ang ingredients ng ating pizza bana ay pizza dough, mozzarella cheese, vanilla, pineapple, at saka yung banana natin. Unang-una, isusutin muna natin yung banana sa butter. Pagkatapos nun, ma-melt ng yung banana natin. Ilalagay na natin siya sa toppings ng ating pizza dough. Toppings na natin siya. At saka, pagkatapos, ilagay na natin yung mozzarella cheese. And then, pineapple. After nun, ilalagay natin siya sa oven sa init na 160 degrees at ilulutuin natin siya ng 10 to 15 minutes.
Pizza time. Cheesy.
But so weird. Banana and cheese. She's a weird. It's actually nice.
Next, we have the moringa banana smoothie. Tastes like banana.
I didn't taste any banana at all.
It tastes like banana.
It's like
Banana.
it's like guava.
I think that's malunggay. So this is malunggay with banana and calamansi.
Sure. It's good.
That's good one. So we guys are both.
Wait, I don't like it.
No, we're both doing.
Isusutin natin yung mga ingredients.
Pagka August, September po, yung pong season sa durian namin po.
Let's do the during challenge.
Tinakilawin time.
No! Tanggalin mo yung sili!
Kilala po ang kilawing kambing dito sa Tagum. Dahil ang kilawing kambing ay healthy sa katawan, wala hong taba, pwede hong pang ulam at pwede rin pong pampulutan.
No, you taste it. No, sabay tayo.
Ang gagawin ko po ngayon ay kilawing kambing. Ang ingredients po ng kilawing kambing ay mangga, luya, onion, bell pepper, suka, kalamansi, tsaka toyo. Ang gagawin lang po natin dito, isusutin natin yung mga ingredients, tapos lalagyan natin ng seasoning at panimpla, tsaka ilalagay natin yung laman ng kambing.
1, 2, 3.
It's actually good. What's that? Goat?
Baby goat. While James is mixing it, I'm gonna try durian shake. Kind of excited for this. I like it. It's good. It's really good. I like it. Lasang durian.
Ang ginawa ko po ay gumawa ko ng mashed potato, nilagay ko sa plate, tapos nilagay ko yung grilled tuna belly sa gitna, tapos may lemon dito, at saka yung fried banana sa gilid, tapos buttered vegetable, at saka yung lemon butter sauce.
I'm not a real fan of fish, but here we go. Oh, it's good.
Why is it called Pacific Charm? You're just hungry, probably.
Yeah.
How's the lemon? Mmm. Sa Tagum, yung pinakagusto kong food na na-try namin is yung pizza bana and yung durian shake. Ewan ko, nag-enjoy ako, sobra.
For me, the pizza bana. I don't know. Something different. Never tried anything like that before.
Ang durian po ang nangungunang produkto sa Davao. Pagka August, September po, yung pong season sa durian namin po, nagkakaroon po kami dito ng durian festival po. Para sa akin po, ang pinakamasarap na variety sa durian, ito pong arancillo. Kasi nga po, hindi po ako nagsasawa sa lasa nito. Matamis po, creamy. Tsaka, tamang-tama din po yung laman niya.
Okay, it's time to do the durian challenge. Nadine, have you had durian before?
Fresh. Never eaten a fresh,
But the shake is good.
It's good.
Let's do the durian challenge. Okay. Let's do the durian challenge. How is it? It is? That's what I said.
It's the texture that's weird. Parang machina, I don't understand.
Maybe it tastes like onion. Like like mashed up onions. Ugh. Ooh. It's not for me, sorry.
Ngayong alam na namin na yung Jadine pala, umaabot hanggang Mindanao, we're really happy kasi parang hindi lang pala kami Luzon and Visayas. I mean, umabot kami hanggang Mindanao, hanggang sa pinakadulo. So, we're just really happy na yung effort namin pala abot sa buong Pilipinas.
We're really thankful to all the fans. I mean, in such a short amount of time, we're able to reach, to extend out to the whole of the Philippines. So we just want to thank all the fans.
Daghang salamat, Tagum City, sa pagtangkilik niyo sa amin, and mga Davaoenos, we'll see you again soon.
Usually when I go out of town from all shows, I don't really bring much. It's just, the clothes I wear for the show, jeans, jacket, things like that. Comfy pants, and wax. I actually have 2 right now. Don't know why, but this is a must.
Pag meron kaming artista ni James, ito yung palagi dinadala all the time. Ako yung nag-makeup, ako yung nag-hair. So, medyo matagal. Takes about siguro 2 to 3 hours for me to finish getting ready.